welcome to my channel again. I've done this like 17 times over the last 10 years, but maybe this time it'll stick. I figure if I just take videos and post and not worry about what I look like and not worry about what the scenery looks like and all that, then I'll probably fare better, but we shall see. This morning I'm gonna take you along for my farm chores. Farm chores, aka taking care of my ducks and chickens. That's all I got. And I got 2 cats and a dog, but we don't talk about them anymore. We only talk about our chickens. The hose broke. What the? That's what you get for leaving the hose on in 90-degree weather. We gotta change that shit. I just woke up. I already took this off the old hose and now we have to put it on a new hose, which is also broken, but the end is broken, so I can work with that. See the leak? Oh well. Good morning, ladies. How we doing? Be free. Okay. This dirty, nasty waterer. I have to refill that too. You have a good night, ladies? All right, all right. Another kink? Girl. Good. No worries, I got it. Are fly mosquitoes a thing? Because I feel like they're a thing. Not mosquitoes that can fly, guys, okay? I mean, like... Anyway, let's let out the chickens. Good morning, ladies. How we doing? Buckbeak, how you doing? You guys need to eat a little. Okay, now I need to water my plants. So let's do that. Now this mama, she's Gorgina. She's my favorite. And then we go till she starts dripping. Drip, 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 drip. There she is. We have a strawberry plant. She's flowering. I actually have to take off the hook and bring to my... Oh, we have a little strawberry growing. Look at her. You see it? Cutie patootie. And we don't water her too much. Next we have the tree. The latrine, not the tray that my husband got my daughter for her birthday. Cutesy. Let's turn her on. That'll reach. That'll do, soldier. And I just stand here for 60 minutes. While we're here, yes, I do look like a homeless person in the morning. Yes, I do wipe off all the dirt on my nightshirt. Because I'm not going to get ready and then come out here and get dirty. Are you joking?
Hey girls. You hungry this morning?
I have a couple more plants over here. Like a rose vine, pink one. I've only seen a couple of flowers bloom from it, but and then we have this other plant. Water, water, water. Water, water, water. Of course, our lily that gets ate every single day. And then we have a banana plant randomly. And she looks good, but and again we can't reach, so.
Hey ladies.
That's it for my farm chores. That's all folks for today. See you later. Have a good day. Love you. Bye.